there to support the people of Mississauga. We promise to improve affordability and build this infrastructure, and we are getting it done. Right here in Mississauga, we are seeing investments in infrastructure like have never been before. For example, the South Common Community Center, a cornerstone of local neighborhoods in Erin Mills, required a $61 million reconstruction fees. After it got rejected by the federal government, I have worked with the Ontario government to provide more than 70% of the funding to get shovels in the ground faster.
Very good, very good, very good.
In education, we are building and expanding schools in Mississauga. Thomas Street's Public Middle School recently completed a $4 million expansion, allowing 160 new spaces for students. With our support, Our Lady of Mercy Catholic Elementary School added 73 new child care spaces, and St. Jane Baptist Catholic Elementary added 39. These investments in education are allowing us to fulfill our Back to Basics promise. We are reviving our focus on critical subjects like reading, writing, technology, science, and math. With this new curriculums and investments, we are giving students the tools they need to succeed in the modern day. To fulfill this goal, we are hiring 2,000 more frontline educators who will be hired based on merit, not seniority. Our investments in transportation are coming to fruition. We have started and completed the 18 kilometers expansion of Highway 401 from Milton to Mississauga, and the 8 kilometers at Cambridge, which have alleviated much traffic and keeps people and goods moving faster. Anyone who has traveled recently on Ontario Street, Highway 10, can see the progress and the construction for the 18 kilometers Hazel-McKillian line. Last month, it was confirmed by the Minister of Transportation that Ontario will be pursuing two-way, all-day GO train service on the Milton line. For me, this is a dream coming true. I've been using this line since 1999 to travel every day to work down.
Very good.
And work on Highway 413 will soon be underway, saving commuters time on their daily commute. We are investing in healthcare for the people of Mississauga with a comprehensive plan of convenient and connected care. Our government is supporting construction of a new hospital in Mississauga. It will be 2.5 million square feet, the largest hospital in the Canadian history. It will be the largest hospital in Canada, the largest emergency department in Canada. A multi-billion-dollar project that will reduce waiting time, providing faster and state-of-the-art healthcare facility. A new women and children hospital, the first of its kind in Canada, will be here in Mississauga, and we are building long-term care beds. Whether the previous government neglected to fund long-term care, our government has a goal of 58,000 long-term care beds. This includes projects such as the 160-bed long-term care of Ivan Franco homes in Erin Mills, which broke ground last fall. We also opened Willbrook Place with Australian Health Partners, bringing 632 new beds in Mississauga. Just to compare, the previous government only brought 640 beds to Ontario in 7 years. We brought that in one project here in Mississauga only. And we are building housing. When driving the other day on Burnham Thorpe towards Square One, I can count 11 cranes. That's almost a dozen new buildings under construction just in this one neighborhood. But this is still more that need to be done. The Building Faster Fund is providing $1.2 billion to municipalities as an incentive to get more shovels in ground. We are encouraging higher density and transit-oriented communities. We are accelerating the approval timelines and increasing consumer protection, all with the goal of building 1.5 million homes by 2030, allowing Ontario families to find a home that meets their needs. We are not just building infrastructure, we are creating the conditions that attract investment from the private sector and bringing new jobs to the province. Last year, Ontario created more new jobs in manufacturing than all the 50 US states combined. from electrical vehicle to pharmaceutical to advanced technologies and everything in between. Ontario is attracting major investments. The reason for this is simple. Our government has cut the red tape, making it easier for business to grow. In total, businesses are now saving $900 million each year in red tape saving dollars alone. Additionally, the 4 Working for Workers bills that have been put forward and allowing more people to find jobs in Ontario and supporting those already here. In more than 30 occupations, new immigrants will no longer have to worry about Canadian experience requirements. We'll lock them out of jobs in their profession. We removed those requirements and now we are allowing more people to get jobs faster. The Working for Workers Act are also increasing protection and improving working conditions for laborers. For example, we increased the fines against bad actors such as employers who mistreat temporary foreign workers. We established that ride share and digital delivery workers have the same rights as other workers. And our government has proposed policies that would ensure workers are paid fairly without illegal deductions or tip confiscation. And speaking about protection, I'm